In the tutorial, I will tell you my favorite features in Filmora 12. And yes, Filmora is celebrating 800K on its official YouTube channel. So Filmora has launched an amazing giveaway, so I will explain it well later in the video. So let's start the video and see the features. Motion tracking. With the help of this feature, you can track any object. And this motion tracking feature is very useful for me when I want to put text or an image on an object. After turning it on, the object has to be selected. Now click on the Start button. Then add any image or text. Now after selecting the video, coming to the feature in motion tracking, that image has to be selected and done. Now let me tell you about the giveaway. You will find the official video of Filmora in the description of this video. So like that video, share, and comment, and you can tell about Filmora by tagging your friend. There will be 100 winners of the giveaway. And the prize is GoPro Hero 11, DJI wireless microphone, smartphone video vlogging kit, Filmora Plus effects and plugin-in license. Smart cutout feature. With this feature, by selecting an object in the video, then the rest of the parts which are not selected can be removed. Let's see, by selecting the video, coming to AI tools. Smart cutout feature has to be turned on. So in this way this feature works. Audio stretch feature. I use this feature a lot. It is very easy to use, just add the music on the layer timeline. And this is the audio stretch feature. It has to be selected, and in this way the music has to be stretched. Then the music will be stretched in a few minutes. Adjustment layer feature. This feature is amazing. You can apply many effects, transitions, on the adjustment layer only. This means that there is no longer the need for multiple effects layers on the layer timeline. Now all the effects will be applied on the adjustment layer only. Also, be sure to join the Filmora email sign-up contest for a chance to win $50. The more entries you have, the better your chances of winning. And the link of sign-up contest is also in the description, so you can understand the details of the contest by reading more thoroughly.